Now, in this lecture, we will see how operators are used in the actual program. First program is write a JavaScript program to add two numbers and display result. Before writing program, you have to think how many variables are required to write program. In this program, we require total 3 variables. In that, 2 variables are used to store two numbers and one variable is used to store the result of addition. Here in this program, we are going to use script tag within the body tag. If you want to use it in head tag, you can use it, no problem. Now in this program, num1, num2 and result are the three variables. Num1 holds 25 value, num2 variable holds 55 value. Here this equal is the assignment operator which assign right hand side value to the left side variable, and result variable is used to store the result of addition. As usual, document.write statement is used to display content on the web page. So how you can start JavaScript program? First, write basic HTML structure. Then use script tag in the body or in the head section and start writing JavaScript code. In this program, after writing script tag with the language attribute, declare three variables num1, num2, num and result using var keyword. You can take any variables, but they should satisfy all the rules of constructing variables. Then using assignment operator, 25 value assigned to the variable num1, 55 value assigned to the variable num2. After assigning value, write down formula of addition num1 plus num2 and result of this addition assigned to the left side variable, that is result. After doing this, you should display result on the web page. So that you have to use document.write statement within the double inverted comma. Here addition of numbers is equal to. This will be displayed on the web page. This statement displays on the web page, and after that you have to use plus operator combine string value with the numeric, cause result variable hold 80 value, that is numeric. If you are writing result inside double inverted comma, then you will get result word as an output, but what you want, you have to display value store into result variable, not the result word, so that after double inverted comma write down plus operator and result variable which display actual result. In the same way, you can do subtraction of two numbers. In this example, a b c a b and sub are the variables. Then document.write statement is used to display result on the web page. Now in this example, result store into variable sub, and for concatenation plus operator is used. Always remember plus operator is used to concatenation of two strings or two values. In this way, in the output, subtraction, the word display because it is written inside the double inverted comma, and plus sub means what, actual value store inside the sub variable, that is 20. The next, division only sign get changed. As you know, division operator returns the quotient. So as an output, it display quotient, that is 50 divided by 2 gives quotient 25. Here RES variable is used to store result. In this way you can use any variable name. The next modulus operator. The next modulus operator which also perform division operation but it returns remainder instead of quotient. So in this example 50 modulus 3 returns remainder 2, and here REM variable is used to store result of the operation. In the same way you can perform multiplication, only sign get changed. Now we will see relational operator. Always remember, relational operators returns result in the form of boolean value true or false. If condition satisfies, then it returns true, else it returns false. So in this example, less than relational operator is used. A holds 25 value and B holds 55 value. And here we will check whether A is less than B or not. So 25 is less than 55. This condition is true. So RES variable hold boolean value true. And using document.write statement, you can see it in the output. If here A is not less than B, then instead of true, it returns false. Now we will see equal to operator. Now we will see equal to operator to check values of the two variables are equal or not. If equal, then it returns true, else it returns false. In this example, 25 is equal to 25. So both values are same. A display result is true. If it differs, then it returns false. Next, not equal to operator. To check values of the two variables are not equal to, if values are not equal to, then it returns true, else it returns false. Here 25 is equal to 25, so that it returns false. Now we will see some logical operators. First is logical AND. As you know, logical operators are used to check more than one condition and inversion of value. First, we will see logical AND. In this example, A hold 36 and B hold 55 value. Now here we will check two conditions at a time. First is A less than B and second is B greater than A. If both conditions are true, then in RES variable, true boolean value will be stored, else it store false value. But here both conditions are true. Both conditions are true. If you see 36 is less than 55, 55 greater than 36. So both conditions are true. So that logical AND operation returns whole statement is true and store this into variable RES. If any one condition false, then it returns whole statement will be false. See this table. You will be more clear about AND operation. First column is condition 1, second column is condition 2, second column is the AND operator, and third is the condition to column, and fourth is the output. If both conditions are false, then whole statement returns false. If any one condition false, then whole statement returns false. If both conditions are true, then only it returns true. So this operator works like multiplication, like 0 into 0, 0, like 0 into 0, 0, 0 into 1, 0, 1 into 0, 0, and 1 into 1, 1. Now we will see logical OR. It works same like addition. It's addition like 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 1, 1, 1 plus 0, 1, 1 plus 1, 1. In this example, checking two condition. First is A less than B and second is B equal to A. If any one condition is true, then whole statement is true, else it returns false. So here 36 is less than 55. It is true. But 36 equal to 55, it is false. But one condition is true, so that as per logical OR, if any one of the condition is true, it returns true. When both the conditions are true, then also it returns true. If both conditions are false, then only it returns false. Right? The whole statement returns the true between the two conditions. So logical OR operator is used. Now next is NOT operator, which inverts the result, means result is true, and if you write logical NOT, then it display result false and vice versa. You can see here exclamatory symbol is used. That is NOT operator. So this whole statement returns true, but because logical NOT is there, RES variable store false value and display it on the web page. You can see table here, false becomes true and true becomes false because of the logical NOT. The next is the increment operator, which increment value by 1. You can see here A holds 25. After writing A plus plus, it becomes 26. And last is decrement operator, which decrement value by 1. So initially A hold 25 value, but after decrement operation it hold 24. In this way we saw JavaScript program using different operators.